Hi and welcome to Take Time to Create. This is where we take time out of our everyday lives to create new and wonderful things. Today's video is sponsored by Scrapbook Collections, and they were generous enough to provide me with this whole collection of Bo Bunny Summer Mood. I am in love with this whole collection, absolutely gorgeous, and the whole concept of scrapbookcollections.com is that you purchase the entire collection all at once. So all of the paper, the embellishments, the stickers, all of it that comes together with that entire collection, you purchase it all at once. That way you are ready to go when you get your scrapbook stuff in. You're not waiting on paper, you're not waiting on embellishments. You are ready to go and to get creating and get crafty and arty and whatever else you want to do. You don't have to wait for things. So scrapbookcollections.com is a pretty cool concept, and I'm excited to be working with them. Today's kit is Summer Mood, and sorry, I already opened it up and I just got to digging and got to playing. Love it. Scrapbook Collections is also generous enough to give us a discount code. I will flash that up on the screen right here, and go ahead and use that, and I will put any more information in the description box down below for that discount code, and thank you to them. This is pretty cool. So what you get in this collection is you get, here's the cover sheet. No, that's not the cover sheet. I tell you, I already dug this out and I was diving in. So here's the cover sheet. So you'll get in this whole collection a paper pack, and it's 12 by 12 paper, and there are 2 of each of the papers, which is really cool. I'm gonna tell you a little secret. I keep this front sheet too because you can use these, just cut them out. I use them as little extra embellishments, and I kind of really like them. And we also have a sticker sheet in here too. And that comes in that 12 by 12 paper pack. And as part of the collection, you get these little stickers. They're dot jewels. And they are adhesive on the back. And they're very pretty, very sparkly. Really love them. You also get this layered chipboard. And these are absolutely gorgeous as well. And you get a whole set of these noteworthy little pieces, paper pieces. They're cutouts. Yeah, I already opened them up because I couldn't resist. They are so cute. First of all, I love Bo Bunny. I love their designs. I love the quality, everything about Bo Bunny. And so you can see all of those really, really cool choices that you get. So this is a really cool concept that you get the entire collection all at once rather than piecemealing it. And so I want to show you guys a project. We're going to make greeting cards, and we're just going to use what's in this kit. So I wanted to illustrate that you can get going. You can just, so you can start running and just feet on the ground when you get your whole kit in. You don't have to wait for things. You don't have to pull out things out of your collection. You can create an entire art project without having to wait for pieces or add pieces, and it's just really cool. So what we're going to do today is we are going to make a greeting card with this paper pack and stickers and all that good stuff. Let me scooch some things out of the way. So in addition to the collection, you are going to need just white cardstock. I'm just using some basic heavy white cardstock that I got at Michael's or Hobby Lobby or anywhere. It's been in my stash so long, I have no idea. But you can find this anywhere. You probably already have it in your stash. You'll need scissors and some adhesive, and that should be it. I am probably going to use some foam adhesive to stick it up, but that's completely up to you. So the first thing we're going to do is look through here, and I'm making greeting cards, just some generic cards, and I really love how these are summery. My sisters and I have become pen pals, which is kind of a fun little treat that we're doing. I live in Colorado, and I have a sister in Arizona, and I have a sister in Iowa. So we are spread out all over. And texting is great. We do a lot of that. Social media, we do a lot of that. But what we don't do is write each other. And recently I was talking to him, and I said, you know what would be really fun is if we became pen pals. And they looked at me like I was crazy, and I might be, and they thought, well, okay, pen pals, well, all right. And they told me, you start it. Linda, You're in charge. If you start it, we will try and write you back. So I did. My oldest sister went, oh no, Linda called my bluff. Yes, I did. I have been really enjoying writing to them. I'm hoping that we could maybe learn more about each other, slow down, just take a couple minutes out of the day. Really doesn't take that long to write a letter, maybe 15 or 20 minutes. And it's kind of fun to get mail in the mail, like rather than a bill, you get a letter. So I've been really enjoying it. And yeah, so I wanted to make some cards, some really fun summary cards, so that this summer I can share them with my sister. So it's kind of fun. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut out this circle. It's on one of these sheets here that has a lot of different embellishments on it. So cut this out and then cut out, I already did cut it out with this paper here. It's got the little popsicles on one side and it is yellow on the other side, and those two, cut it out. And I just took an 8.5 by 11 and cut that in half and then folded it. That's what size my card is. So here's my card right here, and I adhered this on. I think we all have that. So here is this little guy here, and I'm gonna zoom in. All right, so we're zoomed in now, and also at the top of the page there are these strips of print on there, and I really think they're cute. And I use these kind of like washi tape. So go ahead and cut out the pink one as well. So I have some pink strips, I have this middle piece, and I have this card. Now you can always take this card and do more to it. I'm just showing you what you can do with the kit itself. You don't have to wait for things, you don't have to grab a bunch of things. Oh, that's a terrible sound. I have this little adhesive. Oh, that's a terrible sound. Any adhesive you have will work. And since these are cards that are actually going in the mail, I'm making them a little on the flatter side. I won't be using the chipboard, I don't think. Go ahead and adhere it on the top. So you want a little bit here and you want a little more space down here. Cut out your pink strip here, and I'm just going to adhere it to the bottom. If you do decide to do the embellishments, it's probably going to be a hand-delivered card at that point, but I like to keep them a little on the flatter side just in case they get damaged, or the mail gets damaged or poked or whatever. So we have these little flowers here. They're really cute, and they came in that Noteworthy set. And I have some foam squares from the Dollar Tree. It's going to raise it up just a tiny bit, and I'll just give just a little bit of detail, but it won't stick up too much that it'll be a problem in the mail. Not like the really thick embellishments, really big flowers. All right, so everything is adhered down, and you can see that, oh, maybe I can turn it to the side. So you can see that it's not too raised, just raised enough to add a really cool detail. All right, so now we're going to start adding some other embellishments and details, because this is cute as it is, but when have I ever left well enough alone? So we have this whole sticker sheet that came with the 12 by 12 papers. What I love is that everything coordinates. I can literally take anything out of any one of these papers, embellishments, and it will go with it. I love that. So I just took a sticker that was right here, and they're like little tiny banners. So cute. I'm gonna stick one right here. I'm overlapping things just to add interest and detail. Then I want to stick a phrase on here, but I don't want to cover up the flowers. I don't want to cover up some of these details. That's cute. Summer Adventures. That's cute. I love the Summer Adventures. There's also a lot of little phrases down here that are stickers. And since this is kind of the green color, I don't want to use a green one here. So first I'm going to add some of the rhinestones and pearls. Then I'll add some more of those. Let's see here. I like to add things in threes. I just think it goes better. Odd numbers are what really make it work out really well. Here we go, 3. Oops, I have not adhered that. 3 little guys, cool. Let's take some sparkle ones, and we're gonna stick them over here, just like that at the top of the card. Now we'll go ahead and put 3 little guys here. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Look at that. How cute. All right, now the last thing I think I'm going to do is put one of these stickers on this little banner here. I think I might put love. It's a nice, pretty pink one. I'll stick that in the middle. Oops. And there we have it, a cute little card, quick and easy, all using the Bo Bunny Summer Mood Collection that is provided to us by Scrapbook Collections. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and on my blog. I have a personal Instagram as well as the Take Time to Create Instagram. My personal Instagram has all kinds of things like personal journey and all these other things that I'm doing. And if you'd like to follow me, I will leave that information down below along with all the information from scrapbookcollections.com. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys next time.